Welcome to my YouTube channel All Technophile. Today in this video we will see all about Uttar Pradesh. So let's start. Uttar Pradesh is a state in northern India. With roughly 200 million inhabitants, it is the most populous state in India as well as the most populous country subdivision in the world. It was created on the 1st of April 1937 as the United Provinces of Agra and Awadh during British rule, and was renamed Uttar Pradesh in 1950, giving the acronym UP. On the 9th of November 2000, a new state, Uttarakhand, was carved out from the state's Himalayan hill region. Uttar Pradesh is the fourth largest Indian state by area. The state is divided into 18 divisions and 75 districts, with the capital being Lucknow. The state is bordered by Rajasthan to the west, Haryana, Himachal Pradesh and Delhi to the northwest, Uttarakhand and Nepal to the north, Bihar to the east, Madhya Pradesh to the south, and touches the states of Jharkhand and Chhattisgarh to the southeast. The two major rivers of the state, the Ganga and Yamuna, join at Allahabad and flow further east as Ganga. Hindi is the most widely spoken language, and is also the official language of the state, along with Urdu. Uttar Pradesh ranks first in domestic tourist arrivals among all states of India. The state has the largest railway network in the country. According to the National Crime Records Bureau 2011 data, Uttar Pradesh has the highest number of crimes among any state in India, but due to its high population, the actual per capita crime rate is low. Uttar Pradesh has been called India's underachiever because it has provided India with 8 prime ministers while remaining a poor state. Yogi Adityanath is an Indian monk and Hindu nationalist politician serving as the 22nd and current Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh. The High Court of Uttar Pradesh is situated in Allahabad, officially known as Prayagraj. Now let's see symbols of Uttar Pradesh. Now let's see UNESCO World Heritage Sites in Uttar Pradesh. This is Taj Mahal. This is Agra Fort. This is Fatehpur Sikri. Now let's see some famous products having GI tags. This is Allahabad Surkha Guava. This is Banarasi Sari. This is Kannauj perfume. This is Nizamabad Black Pottery. This is Meerut Scissor. This is Kala Namak rice. Here are some famous dams of Uttar Pradesh. Now we will see famous tourist places of Uttar Pradesh. This is Varanasi, also known as Banaras, is an famous Hindi pilgrimage site located on the bank of Ganga river. The Residency, also called as the British Residency and Residency Complex, is a group of several buildings in a common precinct in the city of Lucknow. It served as the residence for the British Resident General, who was a representative in the court of the Nawab. Tomb of Etimad ud Daulah is a Mughal mausoleum in the city of Agra. It is often regarded as a draft of the Taj Mahal. Kashi Vishwanath Temple is one of the most famous Hindu temples dedicated to Lord Shiva. The temple stands on the western bank of the holy river Ganga, and is one of the 12 Jyotirlinga, the holiest of Shiva temples. Bara Imambara building also includes the Ashifi Mosque, the Bhul Bholaiya, and a step well with running water. It is said that there are 1024 ways to reach the terrace, but only two to come back, first gate or the last gate. This is Triveni Sangam. In Hindu tradition, Triveni Sangam is the confluence of three rivers. The point of confluence is a sacred place for Hindus, with a bath to flush away all of one's sins and free one from the cycle of rebirth. This is Sarnath. Sarnath is where Gautam Buddha first taught the Dharma, and where the Buddhist Sangha came into existence through the enlightenment of Kaundana. There are various other famous tourist destinations in the state, such as Buland Darwaza, Vrindavan, Mathura, Chitrakoot, Ayodhya, Jhansi, Hastinapur, Dawa Sharif, and many more. Now let's move to the culture and tradition of Uttar Pradesh. If you like this informative video, then do like and share for more such videos.